event. So for those who have given their time and their effort to make this event happen, I thank you all. I don't think I have to enumerate those people. I guess they know who they are, especially my family. Who is the master of everything. My friends also for giving their time to come here, and for my friends who had given a dance number. Thank you so much for the effort, despite of the very hectic schedules, because this week is our exam week for finals. They still have the time to attend the practices every night from 7 to 11 p.m. and then the next day school day na po siya. So basta I appreciate everything, the celebration. I'm so flattered. I'm speechless. Thank you Sanan for the gift. I want to say thank you also for my beautiful gown by Lloyd Buscanino. He's also beautiful. And my makeup artist and the choreographer, makeup artist Michelle and Company, and also the choreographer, Pabs. Thank you, Jud kayo. This won't happen without you, everyone, without the people. Thank you so much. And also, the host, wow, who's been talking for a long time. The speaker of the event, Mr. Edward Mira, who's also my speech teacher during high school, and also a very close friend of mine. And very wow band, the Palomares band, of course. Thank you so much for being here. For all my relatives, friends, thank you so much. That's all. And also Yvonne for think about. Thank you. That's us all. Speech kayo, iyak ko. Sayang ang makeup.
Fade into memory. We should always remember that blessings are always at our side, and we should not waste.
Happy birthday.